Meaning of further.
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 Further. The word further can be used as both an adjective and adverb to indicate an increase in degree or extent of something. It implies reaching beyond the current situation or state, whether in space or time. For example, you might say that you need further information to make a decision, meaning that you require additional details that are currently lacking. Or if you say you are going to further your education, you are indicating that you will continue to pursue higher levels of learning beyond your current level of achievement. In essence, further suggests progress, expansion, and development.